Hey, 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 it's griddling time. Uh, Boca Burgers. Tried them once before. Wasn't too thrilled, but they're taking up room in my freezer, and I can't just ignore them forever. So, let's griddle them. As you know, if you've watched uh, my show a time or two, and I know you watch every single episode and take notes, get those Nielsen ratings up. I know, Nielsen doesn't know I exist. Sometimes I try vegan stuff just out of curiosity. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's a Boca burger. Um, my theory is if it's like a veggie burger and it's just trying to be a veggie burger and nothing else, it's usually not too bad. Sometimes it's good. If it tries to pretend it's meat, it sucks. Unless it's an Impossible Burger, or Beyond Burger, sorry. Lose track of what's what. The Beyond Burger actually came pretty close and is kind of decent. So I make an exception for that. These are kind of, yeah. These were they say they're the original vegan veggie burgers. And they may be the guys that gave vegan stuff a bad name. So I got some buns, and I've got ranch dressing instead of mustard or mayonnaise this time. I've got some sriracha sauce. I'm gonna try to spice these guys up a little bit. See if I can give them some flavor. I don't know, the texture, they're bland, they're something. So we're gonna see what we could do. I guess I could have dug out some cheese, but I'm not much for cheese on my burgers anymore, most of the time. We're throwing some spices on. That was sriracha salt, my salt, pepper, garlic blend. What else? What else? Yeah, we got some. Yeah, let's try some badilla maybe. Badilla complete is similar to Mrs. Dash. And sriracha. Hard to go wrong with sriracha. They say must be fall because the leaves are falling. Last night it looked like it was snowing out here. So many leaves were blowing. And the wind was blowing so hard. Felt like I was getting pelted with hail drops or something. It was just smacking me, and the leaves were everywhere, and it was nasty. They say 8 to 10 minutes per side on medium heat, which we know things go faster on the griddle, don't we? Yes, we do. So, mayonnaise. Have you tried it yet? Like on your grilled cheese? Why not? What are you waiting for? Stop wasting time. This is low heat on this side, medium heat on this side. And it's 85 degrees, something like that. So the griddle's hot no matter, even before I turned it on. Even before I took the cover off, it was hot. It's a hot day. Some like it hot, hot, hot. hot, hot, hot. Oh my goodness. It gives a nice even crisp, like butter and mayonnaise. It does take a little longer to brown than butter or mayonnaise. Right, Baja? Baja is not impressed when I do the vegan days. Oh, that's not looking bad. I don't know how you tell when non-meat is done. Like everything else in life, I just guess. Oh, look at the crisp. Plus you get the little bit of ranch dressing flavor, ranch flavor. And anything helps, because Boca. You can turn this side off. Should we? Oh. Guess we'll make it a double. Just use the patties. Add some sriracha. The buns say they are ready. So, should we give this a shot? Let's give this a shot. You want a close-up? And what do you think, huh? So, in case you didn't realize, I'm using my cell phone as my camera, and I was looking on YouTube yesterday at what they call affordable cameras, and affordable started at like $500. Ooh, I gotta let that cool a sec. So their idea of affordable is not nearly the same as mine. To me, affordable is like $50, $40, $25. Do I hear 15? 15? 15? Can I get a 10? 10? 10? 10? Sold to the lowest bidder. I know you get what you pay for, but I can't afford to pay for one of those $500, $1,000 cameras. My sponsors just aren't lining up yet. Okay, let's give this a try. Wow. Almost looks like meat, doesn't it? So the sriracha and the seasonings made a huge, huge difference. Huge, I say. That is actually good right now. I take back my misgivings. Whole different taste. Maybe I had the Bocas confused with something else. Or maybe it's the seasonings and the sriracha. Anyway, it's not bad this time at all. And that's all we've got for today. My apologies to Boca. Maybe it was my cooking before. Maybe I had it confused with some other yucky, bland, vegan sandwich. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!